Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays, people are talking a lot about AI. You must have heard things like AI will take your job or because of AI, your job is in danger. In today's video, I will tell you what the real truth is and how people are creating wrong misconceptions and spreading a false narrative in society. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you have any questions, do write them in the comments. Most of the fear around AI is in the corporate field, especially among coders, programmers, content writers, and similar professions like these. Look, some jobs have already gone and some will go in the future, like certain type of content writing or small editing jobs such as basic Photoshop work, but the need for content will still remain, right? Even if content is created using ChatGPT, someone is still needed to tell ChatGPT what kind of content is required and on which topic. ChatGPT can also generate very similar content for the same title. To make it unique, a human is still required. So what do we learn from this? We need prompt writers. One job may disappear, but a new job is created. What we write to AI is called a prompt. Now let's go a little into the past. When computers were first introduced, the same narrative existed that jobs would disappear because computers could do the work of 100 people alone. But what actually happened was the complete opposite. A huge IT industry was born. So many new IT jobs came into the market. Just think about how many jobs came because of Excel and Word. So many businesses started around computer hardware parts, software engineers, hardware engineers, and so many opportunities were created. You already know this. You must have seen ads on YouTube related to AI telling how you can get a jobs using AI or how you can become a prompt engineer. To run AI, to debug it, and to build AI software, people are still required. So there is no need to be afraid of AI. Just learn AI software and tools. In the end, it's all about languages. Everything works through coding. So learn coding. Python is a language made especially for AI. So you can learn also it. Bring AI into your daily life. Don't run away from technology. Learn technology. This is a very big topic for discussion. So we will talk about it in a future video. That's all for today. Best of luck.